Welcome to the UFC Showcase 5205. Let's do this thing. Good luck to absolutely all involved. We're going to randomize this list 5 times. Team on top at the end will go to the person in spot 1. Team on the bottom will go to the person in spot number 9. Here we go. And by team, I mean weight class. 5 times. Let's do this. Good luck, all. Thank you guys so much for filling this out. Probably one of the bigger undertakings of the UFC breaking format we've seen. Let's hope that it turns out good. 5 times. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top team is welterweight. Bottom is middle. Again, there are no bad teams. Every team is very, very good. That's 5 times. Get randomizers out of the way. Drop it in exactly where you picked up your spots. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. First up, we're going to do the half boxes of these. Two. And we'll put those away. We'll chuck these into something else. And I said 2, but I meant 3. Alrighty, good luck. Here we go. These are just the little bonus packs that I said if we filled it tonight, we'd get in. Alright, T-Ferg, Nunes, Usman, Aldo. Disco Whitaker, and a Disco Dominic Cruz. Oh, gold. This is a huge start. It's a gold for the strawweight Nina Nunes gold. Silver Thiago Santos. 10 of 10 for the strawweight Nina Nunes. Congratulations to Haas. Dibs, what's your name? This is the break here. Did you buy into the showcase or did you buy into just the plain Chronicles break? Khabib, Michael Chandler, Kamaru Usman, Nate Diaz, Israel Adesanya, Kamzat. A Kevin Holland middleweight. And a blue 299 of Kamaru Usman. Oh, so you might have bought into the Chronicles break, not the showcase. Yeah, Haas, that's your Nina Nunes. Oh, sorry, I looked at the wrong one. Sorry. Straw is spot 7. Conrad. Congratulations, Conrad. Sorry, I can't see a thing at the moment. John Jones, Khabib, Amanda Nunes, Israel Adesanya, Kevin Holland. Refractor of Jiri. Nice for light heavyweights. Kevin Holland and Khabib. Yeah, so this one was the $500 one. If we don't get an auto, I'm going to have to open another pack. You realize that? Joanna. And nice. Wow, this is old school. Don Fry. Professional wrestling legend for the heavyweights. Big DF. Chronicles auto. One of my favorites of all time. Gilbert Burns and Zhang Wei Li. We'll do the retail up first. Let's do retail exclusives. Very early. Fresh case. Let's hope we can pull out an auto or a numbered card from the retail. They fall one in every couple of boxes. I don't know what the exact numbering is. I haven't opened enough of it to know, but we'll figure out how we go. Let's do this. All right. Here we go. Prism Retail. All right. Rodriguez Silva, Julia Pena for the bantamweights. Said Nurmagomedov for the bantamweights. And Michael Chandler for the lightweights. Rookies. Joe Lauzon, Ozdemir, Instant Impact John Jones, and a Aljamain Sterling. Jeez, Joe Lauzon's cauliflower here. What a time, eh? Jacare Souza, Refractor rookie Michael Pereira for the welterweights. A Davison Figueroa and Marion Renault. Cheng Sun Jung, Benavidez, Fireworks at Khabib, and Joaquin Buckley. Come on, let's get something nice. Big Brock Lesnar. I'm Vincent Prue. Knockout artist of Dillashaw, Felice Herrig, and Cody Garbrandt. Leon Edwards, Jimmy Rivera, Green, Walt Harris, and a Diego Ferreira. Jeez, I just realized we're a chance at a Color Blast. Jess I, Corey Sanhagen, Silva, Shogun Ua, and Jose Aldo. Good 1-1 to be nice. Well, we got a lot of chances to do it. Not so much in this product. Amanda Nunes, Fireworks, and Brendan Allen, rookie. Definitely not so much in this product. I don't know if there is 1-on-1s in this. No, it's just Pulsars. Amanda Nunes, Lauren Murphy, and Viviana Araujo. Zabit, Augusto Sakai, Green, Sam Alvey, and Rodolfo Vieira. How many of these guys have been dropped? Caitlin Chikagian, Alexander Volkanovski, Rafael Dos Anjos, and Magomed Ankalev. Ed Herman, Randa Costa, Green, Jorge Masvidal, and a Joanna Champ. TJ Dillashaw, Darren Till, Fireworks, Peter Yan, and Alex Caceres. Mason Chisson, Conor McGregor, Yan Xiaoyan, and Antonio Shevchenko. Matt, you had a ton of opportunity to get in. You were talking about it for ages. But we probably will, yes. Green, Nina Ansaroff, Jennifer Meyer. In fact, we may just get this one straight up again for next week. Mackenzie Dern, Fearless Khabib, Dominic Reyes, Darren Elkins. Unless it's a different Matt Mac. I could be cooked here. Woodley. Nice. Wow. Oh, my God. Rodolfo Vieira, Green Rookie Auto. That's nice. And then a Peter Yan, Pink Pulsar, 11 of 42. You literally probably cannot get a better pack than that. A Pink Pulsar, Brad Tavares on the back. But a Pink Pulsar and Rodolfo, both in the same pack. Now, I don't know how many people here have experience with Prism Retail UFC. I know Conrad's opened a fair bit. I know a few of the guys here have opened a fair bit. But Demian Maia, Silva, Merab Davashvili, Khabib, and Bazian. You rarely ever get an auto and a Pink Pulsar. In fact, I don't think in all the boxes I've ever seen it. I know if you guys here haven't touched, I know I haven't touched a lot of it, but Jorge Masvidal, Robbie Lawler. We'll be doing plenty of these, trust me. We've got a ton of all these products. Congratulations to those who hit. Jorge Masvidal, Kamaru Usman, Matt Schnell. Green knockout artist, Sugar Sean O'Malley, Song Kin Yan. Yeah, we can do another one of these. Tanner Bosa, he's a big boy. Yeah, Silva Rakic, Neil Magny, and Jimmy Flick. 2 to go. Yeah, you rarely see that. This is a very good box. Kirillov, Kamzat, does he win? I mean, he should, hypothetically. Gaethje and Valentina Shevchenko, who I love. Silver rookie Diego Ferreira, Diego Sanchez, and Carla Esparza. Up next, we'll keep it retail. We'll keep it non-hobby. It's H2, baby, but this product can be just as good. We just saw a beautiful gold. It kind of makes me not want to put the other side in to break, but I'll just add it in somewhere cheap or free. Not sure, Matt. It's been a BGS at the moment, very, very slow. Here we go. Volkov, Magomed Sharapov, Conor McGregor, always include a little Conor, Max Holloway, Disco Jan Blachowicz, and a Disco Alexander Rakic. Jorge Masvidal, Uriah Hall, Cavillo, Gastelum, Jiri, and nice, comes red, numbered 180 of 109, Octagon side. Again, I hate the term Octagon side. I forgot how much I hated it. Thompson, Chandler, Leon Edwards, Jessica Andrade, Marlon Moraes, numbered 18 of 99, and a silver. All that. Now listen, I'm going to put it out there. I'm putting myself out there. I don't know how big of a claim this is. This guy is the next guy, and Cyril is going to be a transcendental heavyweight who completely revolutionizes the game for the next couple of years. To beat Cyril, you're going to need to be very well-rounded. Brandon Moreno, Frankie Edgar, Robert Whittaker, and a red of Caitlin Chikagian, numbered 192 of 299. Of course, there is a chance, of course, with heavyweights, there's always a chance of knockouts and someone just being too big to throw around. But I don't think I've seen somebody that technically sound in the ring ever. So fingers crossed, he just has the ability to throw himself around as he has been, because that is a scary, scary man. Strikes, grappling, his submission skills for a heavyweight are beyond even like what Frank Mir was. Oh, Zhang Weili, Brock Lesnar, here comes the pain. Benavidez, Scope of Claudia Gadelha, their scopes are unnumbered, and Joanna. I don't know if that's a big call, but he just has it all, does he not? Diego Ferreira, Rodolfo Vieira, Global Icons, Amanda Nunes, Silva, Conor McGregor, nice one there for the lightweights, and a Jermaine Durandamy. Field level Octagon side. Khabib, Jan, yeah. Max Holloway, Refractor, and a Darren Till. Cheng Sun Jung, Alexander Volkanovski, and to 149, it is a Gilbert Burns jersey. Rookie for the welterweights. A Derek Lewis. And you're 100% correct. Unnumbered, the tricolors, the Black Beast and Jan. You're correct. And yes, he could get completely knocked out. That's 100% true. Jimmy Crute, Colby Covington. Refractor of Dan Henderson, strikers. A silver, Cynthia Cavillo and Shogunua. And that knockout power is something that you obviously have to take into consideration. It's why a lot of straight-up wrestlers don't transcend into Magomed Ankalev, into heavyweight division well. Silver, Glover Teixeira, and Paulo Costa. But if he can put it all together, and if he just, has a few unabridged runs, Chikagian, Souza. Oh, nice! Tie-dye auto for the welterweights. Jorge Masvidal. That's very nice. To 25, Jorge Masvidal. How good is he on AEW at the moment? Silver, Rodolfo Vieira, Carla Esparza. Nice auto there. Congrats, John. Span, Liddell, Aljamain Sterling. Refractor of Uriah Hall and Zabit Magomed Sharapov. Again, Islam's another one. He could be the next big thing. Vega, Cerrone, Jakari Souza, grapplers. Refractor of Yohei Masvidal and Tyron Woodley, octagon side. I have a feeling he's just going to dominate his way to the top with little to no fanfare. Like, he's just going to do it, like, and get it done. Jan Blachowicz. Tricolor. And Michael Chisat. His cards are selling very well, Islam's. To 249, it is Jessica Andrade. Octagon Auto from the flyweight division. Definitely a 100%. Israel Tricolor and Arnold Allen. Listen, 100%. Cameron Lynch is 100% correct. Jerry. But, I mean, if Paul Mance could be still $1 million, like, you know what I mean? Henry Cejudo. Volkanovski for the featherweights. And Donald Cerrone, Cowboy. Prism's probably the biggest, so we'll go the old Chronicles next. Oh no! Really? Amanda Nunes, Conor McGregor, Francis Ngannou, blue of Khabib Nurmagomedov. Number 299. Let's hope that just is sitting somewhere waiting to be sorted. Red, geez, Giga Chikadze for the featherweights. Rated rookie. Number 2 of 149. Amanda Nunes and Holly Holm. Ngannou. John Jones. Jeez, I hate these upside down cards. Ngannou, John Jones. Oh, Messi Chisholm. Israel Adesanya. Amanda Nunes, bantamweight. And red, Kamaru Usman to 149. That is my biggest fear about sending cards. Oh, Jesus. Base pile just spilling out a little bit here. We're going to make 2 because Prism and Select do not sit on top of each other well. Beautiful Thursday afternoon here in Melbourne. I hope wherever you are, it's just as beautiful. Yeah, that. Alrighty. Oh, jeez, this is a thick boy. Connor, Brandon Moreno. And nice to 99 is the Noir base of Francis Ngannou. Such a beautiful card, these Noir base. Volkanovski, Messi Chisholm, Amanda Nunes, and Kevin Holland. Usman, John Jones, Khabib, Yohei Masvidal, Gilbert Burns. A purple strawweight Zhang Weili. Did she win the title back? Number 9 of 49. Stipe Miocic and Khabib. What do we reckon? Nunes, Adesanya, Khabib. Red to 149, Yohei Masvidal. Amanda Nunes. And oh, sick! National Pride Order of Michael Bisping. That rules. I love that so much. Cool hit there for the middleweights. And Justin. Congrats, Justin. Rad card there. Stipe and a blue of Volkanovski to 99. Doctor, give me the news. I gotta. Usman, Ngannou, Jiri, Zhang Weili. And that's cool as well. Hall of Fame autograph for the heavyweights, Mark Coleman. That's sick too. Very nice. Stipe and Holly Holm. All right. Well, take some time to get these protected before we get into the... All right, the final box is Prism. We're riding on this Prism. We want to make sure it's good. Some really nice autos, really nice cards. Now Prism just needs to, you just need to deliver Prism. Nice 1-on-1 patch auto or something. Wait, no, sorry, I'm thinking of Select. God, my brain is not working tonight. Final box of the UFC Showcase. We will get another one of these up. This has been really good. Good range of cards. Here we go. Boom, dun, 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 dun. Here we go. Debut edition Prism. Let's go. Final box of the UFC Showcase. We're cleaned up. We're good to go. Let's do this. All right. Black Beast. Qatar. Rakic. Rodriguez. McGregor. Always include. A blue of Benyel Dariush. To 109. Silver. Luis Pena. Rose Namajunas. Matt Schnell. Kanan. Magny. And Jimmy Flick. Come on, base pile. You don't want to do this to me. Again. Ugh, I can taste something gross. Ortega, Jessica, Dober, Jan. It's a purple Chang Sun Jung. Luis Pena is in jail. I did not know that. To 149. Blue, Kelvin Gastelum, number 2109. What for? Donald Cerrone, Andrea Lee, Uriah Hall, Bronson, and Bryce Mitchell, rookie. Is it? What sort of crime? Volkanovski, Magomed, Sakai, Chikagian. Red color Esparza. Oh, what a piece of shit. To 275, color Esparza. Silver, Rafael Dos Anjos. Fearless Usman. Yaquinta, Miller, Garn rookie. Gaethje, and Gunnar Nelson. Devashili. Red of Joanna. It's a nice card. Orange up next of Holly Holm. Holly number to 99 and to 275, Joanna. We're halfway through this box. Some really... Oh, we're not even halfway yet. What a box. Israel, Shevchenko, Sanchez, Esparza, Caceres, and Yan Xiaoyan. Stephen Thompson, Moreno. Nice. Amazing that you can get Moreno rookies and how far he's gone since he was a rookie. Paulo Costa. Hello, Duskon Ferkel. Number 3349. And hello to Germany. Whereabouts in Germany are you from? I love Germany. A silver. Joanna. Stephen Thompson. Aspen Ladd. Ribas. Adesanya. Miocic. Good to Nacton. Oh, lime green coming up. Randy Costa. Lime green is rookie Jamal Hill. Numbered to 75. A silver Dan Ige. Valentina Shevchenko. Hooker. Gracie. Holland. And Poirier. Yes, the StockX. We worked with StockX on that. I didn't. I don't have much to do with that sort of thing. They don't try. Oh, Octagon. Tanabosa. Come on, just be big. Just be big. Comes that. Do we see a rookie? We do. Rookie from the welterweights, Muslim Salikov. Numbered 3 of 8. That is very nice. Congratulations to the welterweights. That's a beautiful card right there. Oh, how'd you go? Silva, Rodolfo Vieira? Or are you still waiting on it? Conor McGregor, Fearless, Dodson, Edgar, Covington, Chisay, Rosenstruck. Very good. Oh, thank you. I hope you got something nice. Macy Chasson. Oh, I love this Luke Rockhold base. Luke Rockhold. Number 5 of 49. Silva, Rob Font. Jan Blachowicz. Suarez, Felder, Landsberg, Gastelum. Yeah, that's a really nice one. Souza. We should be doing another auto soon. Orange, Alexander Volkov. And the Mojo, that is so nice to just 25 for the light heavyweight. They've been quiet. Spot 8, Haas. Oh, that's nice. 10 of 25, John Jones, light heavyweight. Beautiful. Another really nice card. This prison box, delivering. John Jones, Raquel Pennington, Vittori, John Jones, Hench, and Jermaine Durandamy. 3 packs to go. Here we go. Should be some auto. Edwards, Rivera, Namajunas, Weidman, Pentola. Red, Tim Elliott. Very nice little Tim Elliott there. And to just 10, Colby Covington. Oh, boy. This box is TTP. Oh, man. 2 of 10, Colby. Welterweight doing very well. Thiago Santos, Sandhagen, Pereira, Blachowicz, Santos. 2 to go. Oh, I forgot how good Prism was. We need to get another one of these up. Blue, Johnny Walker. Number to 109. A red, Augusto Sakai. Number to 275. Stipe, Ferguson, Davis, Andrade, Eubanks, and Nate Diaz. Final one. Here we go. And I tell you what. Holm, Neal, Stammen, Holloway. A purple Uriah Hall. Number 149. And nice, Magomed Ankalev Silva. That's not too bad. John Collins on card auto from Revolution. Israel Adesanya, Munoz, Rockhold, Kroot, Modafferi, and Usman. And that is that for the UFC Showcase.